in the stream. Should be live now. Yes, it seems to be working. Just give ZenDuck a call. So we're going to be doing the tri-jam today. Got up on my second monitor. So the theme is cycle repeats. So I've got to make something relating to a repeating cycle. Oh. Get some music on. Just make sure that it's not. I've got no idea what to look for in YouTube copyright-free music. I'll just do what I did last time. Okay. So the timer doesn't start until so planning doesn't count for making the game, I don't think. The time only counts for building a game. That is, any coding, making sound effects, music, art, and other assets. And ZenDuck coming up with ideas, compiling your game, and making the page does not count. So, I have as much time as I want to plan the game out, but only 3 hours to make it. So, theme cycle repeats. I'd want I saw the theme earlier and one of the ideas that I had but doesn't really make sense would be one where you're in a world and you have to make it to the end. Play end, and you keep going back to the start. But there'll have to be something in order to make it a repeating, like to make it slightly different. Actually, I'm going to see what ZenDuck's doing. Because he started about an hour before me. And so this is actually a bit tricky trying to think of what to do. Alright. Cycle repeats. That's just... Oh. Oh god, spent too much time thinking of this. Luckily it doesn't count, but still. I'll also get timer. Stopwatch. No, it's just clock. And so I'll get this timer ready. Just chuck it there-ish. Oh, God. Why can't I think of anything? Ooh. Actually, I'll just make sure the audio is working on my end. Why can't I think of anything? Oh, yeah. Sorry if you hear any birds or that. So where's my mouse? There. So I just had an idea. I'm trying to get it back. There's... Alright. Have you ever played Mario Galaxy where you get the cosmic clones which follow your movements? So it could be like a simple platformer. So you complete it once. I'm not too sure how well this follows the theme of the cycle repeats, but it's close enough. So there'd be like platforms, enemies. I'll just draw a Goomba. And you'd complete it. Then you'd have to play it again. But like you'd have to take a different path because there'd be essentially a cosmic clone. That actually... Oh, missed a call from ZenDuck. This is why... Hello, ZenDuck. I've just started.
You just started? I am 44 minutes in.
Nice.
About. And I'm happy with my progress, if I'm going to be honest. Much better than the first time. All those 3-hour practices have really got me going.
Oh, and
All
I'm
the bugs
scared
have
if I'll
been
be able
fixed.
to keep my crown.
Yeah, I mean, I got some assets prepared beforehand. I mean, I did some preparation for this time. So,
Oh.
I mean, I got you. I'm scared I won't finish though. I'm taking on a lot, so
Yeah, you don't
we'll
want to
see
bite
what I
off
can
more than
do.
you can chew.
Yeah, and then I guess the community can decide who wins this time because it's a tri-jam. So
Yeah.
we'll really see who's the better game developer.
Yes. Well, I will...
My chatter says to tell you that my game's basically done too. So
Oh, no.
yeah, let that scare you, although it's not true. But let that sink in.
Yeah.
All right, well, I will see you in a bit.
Alright. I just need to
See you then.
finish up my idea, then I will start.
All right. Good luck to you.
Good luck to you too. Okay. Shit got real. There might be an actual competition this time. So, I come up with the idea. I think I'll just do this. And each time there'll be a new one for you to face off against. Oh, but I will have to make... Actually, not necessarily. Because, alright, GameMaker did this really cool thing where you just pay once and you get it forever. But that means let's try jump. Using pre-made assets is no problem. Alright, perfect. So GameMaker has this thing, GameMaker assets, free GameMaker asset bundles that you get if you have just GameMaker. Which I do. I own a lifetime license to GameMaker Studio. So, if I just sign in, there would probably be, ooh. Okay, there's one called Ninja Woods, which might be good. I've never used pre-existing sprites except for the early builds of Tempest Island. I've only ever made my own. So, yeah, this would be interesting. Extractor. Characters. Oh yeah, I've got... I think that looks good for a playable character. Alright, so... 3 hours. So, player movement. And animations. Then I want the shadow players. I've got an idea as to how I'll do that. I want the world to be maybe like 10 screens long or something. Just so that there's a lot of room for variation. So 10 screens. But 10 screen room I should do. But actually I forgot to... Okay, yeah, because of wait. So I've had issues with the way I recorded, so now I'm just recording it twice. Once is streamed through Streamlabs, the other through OBS. Not like normal OBS, so that'll just make it better. So 10 screen long room. And enemies. And then obviously the loop. I think I can get that done. That'll be what I call it. Alright. The time starts now. So... Can I... Oh, damn it. So, yeah, because I don't want to spend time making the assets, because I really want to beat him. Fungi, what on earth is this? Ooh. Okay, yeah, there's even... Oh, score. I spent so much less time doing sprites for this than... And... mushrooms. And there's... like, there are a whole bunch of things for this. Oh, so we've got music, hell yeah. This'll actually be really good practice for getting music. Alright. So I've got the sprites, I'll just have to chuck them into that group. Let's get... Alright. So, judging by the size of the ninja, so I might have to go for 1080 for this one. So, the width will be 1920, the height will be... So if I just chuck the ninja there, because I don't want it to be... Yeah, that seems pretty good. Right, and then let's just... Alright, yeah, perfect. Then... Scale. sprite index equals, and then I just copy paste. There is occasionally a bit of lag, but I'm just going to assume that's because it's not being compiled. Alright. Then at the start, on sprite index, it's probably also because I've got running two recordings of this thing at once. Just check task manager. I'm using 60% of my CPU. What on earth is FAH core? FAH is optimized for NVIDIA and AMD GPUs. Okay. It's either... Oh wait, folding at home is running? What? Is that why my... What? Hold on, so folding at home's this thing where you use your computer. I'm just going to pause the clock. So folding at home's this thing where you use your computer to help with cancer research. Close. But I haven't used it in a while. Hold on. Alright. Okay, yeah, I'm not entirely sure what's going on with that, but... Hey. Oh, so it is running. So I have unknowingly been helping cancer research. How long have I been doing this? Is this just because I only just checked? Oh, wow! Okay, funny story. I have been doing folding at home unknowingly for months. Because I have 59 million points. Alright, see, I'm pausing it for the stream. See, that explains why Minecraft would never run well. I was helping cancer research. Wow. I am a top 50,000 contributor. Well, yeah, that explains that. So now, yeah, I'm only using 15% of my CPU. So that's why it was always running so hot. This is just really funny. I didn't expect to find that out. I need to make sure to turn that back on. Oh, that explains so much. I'll run on my GPU. Because I'm not really using that. And yeah, my GPU's a stupid powerful thing. Alright. Back to coding. Right, I don't think I can only run it on my GPU. Well, I think I'll just continue helping cancer research. Well, let's get some music now. So, sounds. Yeah, sounds. So create a sound. The underscore. Okay, yeah, there. Alright, damn it. I'm just going to... Yeah, that's it. So, maybe let's try point 2. Oh yeah, that's good. I wonder how fast my games will run. Now that I know that. Anyway, back to this thing. Let's create object G. I'll only need this one, but alright, time to learn how to do music. How to audio play sound. Alright. Okay, so SND main music priority. Let's just give it the priority of 1. And then here, chuck it in. Hey, music plays. Now, I think actually I need to add a 0 to that. Now I wonder what this will look like. Yeah, I thought so. So I need a viewport. Oh. Make it visible. 1920. 1080. 1920. Following Object Ninja. 800. Oh, enable viewports. That was the issue. I was wondering why I wasn't showing up. And yeah, they're staying in one place until he reaches the end. Which might take a bit. But once he does... Oh, there we go. And so, hello, Sigma Barbie Skibbity. I have no faith in this generation. Anyway, so I'm doing the Tri-Jam, which, hold on, I'll... get it up, so... This, so the theme is the cycle repeats. I have to make a game in 3 hours, and the game I'll be making is called Ninja Loop. I'll quickly run over the plan. So, there's a level with enemies in that. Once you get to the end, you go back to the start. But there's a shadow version of you. And that's it. And the shadow version just follows your moves. So, let's go back to Ninja. Create. Lives equals a 2-dimensional array. And then frame equals 0, run equals 0. Then in step, right at the end, wait, it'll have to be it'll have to be 3, I think. Wait. No. Alright, I'll do life X. And then health equals 3. So life X run frame life Y run frame equals Y. actually, object G manager dot and control X, control V, and control X, control V, control C, control V dot, control V dot, control V dot, control V dot. Alright, then I just need to get this to draw text 10 10 5x life y. This will fill up quickly. Hold on. Oh yeah, because frame doesn't increase. Alright, see, it's there every frame. Then frame plus equals 1. Now ready? Yeah, look. At the top you can see that the X value increased. Alright, let's get the collisions in. So first, I need a tile set. Environment. Great. Oh yes, perfect. Alright. Underscore. And then create tile set. Score main. Oh, I hate how GameMaker does that. I just need to resize canvas, add an extra 128, so that's 6. Wait. No. Apply. Apply. Yes, perfect. Then it's 128. 128. Then I delete that. Tile set layer. Go. Floor. It is 1920 by 1080, yeah. Let's just get a line. Yeah, look at that. But now, I want to let you jump. So, which is why I called it floor. So, I actually have some pre-existing code for this. Where's my bingo? Alright, so bingo. This is something I'm working on in the on the side. You will not get to see it for ages, because I'm still doing Tempest Island, and this is for school. Alright, just a couple minutes. Alright. Object, player, step. There we go, so just that. Tiles, floor, and then it's while, place, meeting, X, Y. Is it while? Yeah, it's while. X, Y. Y minus equals 1. Equals true. If touching ground equals false, y plus equals 1. Oh. Touching ground equals true. What? Oh, it's touching ground, not touching ground. I'm an idiot. Alright. Okay, here's... Oh. Control C. If not Control V, touching ground equals false. Look, it's on the ground now. Now let's just going to draw text X, Y, touching ground. Touching ground equals false. Alright, if not, Y plus 1. And then actually I can just... else Control V. Wait, damn it, one thing. Control C, Control V, true. Boom. Oh. So yeah, it just goes off. Because it's relative to the screen's position. Yeah, look, it's at 820. Oh god. Alright, how much time do I have left? Oh, I'm only half an hour in, so... Key... If keyboard... Base... Let's just do y plus equals 40. And touching ground. So, oh wait, minus equal for so long. Look, it does a little leap. But obviously that's not what I want. So it's v speed equals, let's do 50. And then v speed minus equals, oh no. I almost did. And then it equals negative 50. Well, that's a jump. Three. And then I need to add into here. V speed equals 0. I actually think the super high jump works with a ninja. But I do need to do... Alright. First I want to move this to there. That way I get rid of the... Or not. He still jumps in... Not jump, still glitches into the floor. For some reason. Alright, maybe I need to... swap those two? No, but no one will really care that much considering it's made in 3 hours. Alright. Now... I also want to make it 2160, so 2 screens high. Damn it. Oh, that makes a new asset layer. Alright. Got to kill them. Yep, that's good, and then I filled that in. Let's see what happens now, actually. Oh, yeah, that's good now. Now there's a slight issue. So, if I want... Because obviously I want platforms. So, let's get a wall here. Actually, that's a bit too big. Let's go that. So let's try jump onto it. I just go up instantly up to the top because it's part of the tile set floor. So, time for a new tile layer. So let's get, yeah, let's just do a bit of this, bit of that. Bit of that, and some of that. So I phased right through them instead of doing what I had before. Now I want to make the Y offset for this 1. Then I want walls to be below floor. Then I place in those. Then I just do some more code stealing. That and that. Damn it, one thing. That. Then Control C, Control V. Let's do H speed equals -12. H speed equals 12. Right wall is not set. But what if it was? I know that's before. Oh, he just glides now. Let's maybe make that 10 just because it's so much faster than in the old project. Oh wait, I know the issue. Damn it. Specified time map not found. Oh yeah, that's probably also an issue. Then if yes, look at that. I still glide. But I don't glitch to the top of those. touching A, not touching B. Alright, let's just do... Actually, oh no, I can write this myself. If not keyboard check board A and not keyboard check board D, H speed equals 0. Simple as that. Simple as that. Boom. Yeah, I was originally going to do the Mario treatment to the jumping, but I feel like it's got a pretty good curve. It goes up high, but also falls fast. Alright. What else do I need? I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, I want to... So, if V speed less than 0, X equals player rise. Snug on one. Oh, yes! Then if V speed is more than 0, sprite index equals player fall. Look, I'm doing the animations. Obviously, it'll be a lot more obvious when there's like falling from up there. Maybe I need to... Or not. But now he's only falling for like a few frames. I'll try halving it to see how it looks. Alright. Now I've got to make a new one. So new tileset layer. Tileset. Platform. So this will just be for the bottom of platforms. So platform tiles, And then TOS. Actually, I want to check something quickly. Okay. I'm 45 minutes in. If place meeting X, Y platform tiles. Oh no, while alright, yeah, that's good. But what happens if I go into floor and put 3 there? Do I clip up to the top? No, I don't. But I do fall through them. What if the offset's 10? Still do. What if it's 20? No way, 20. Yeah, and no, I still fall through them. 32. Full quarter of a tile. Alright, good. Damn it! $64. I also want to make them invisible. So, halfway through them. I don't fall through, but look at that. Like 32. Like, that's about as low as I can go. Wouldn't be so bad, but like you'll probably have to do something like this. Obviously it's not an issue because there's no platform tiles here, but yeah, that happens. Alright, what if I make it y minus 16? So if 16 above. That's good, but what does this look like? So I can jump. But let's test. Platform. Alright, so... But as big a drop... No, I don't. So even a drop from as high as I can go, even above, I don't clip through. Although, that might be because there is, because it's just over 2 tiles tall. So, if I do this, what happens? Yep, thought so. I was clipping his head. Alright, 32. That's good. So I can jump on these. Now the issue is when they're not visible. Well, let's just give them sides now. So at least this way I can't clip up onto them. I can clip up 3 of them, but I can't clip onto them like that. I do wonder why. Oh yeah, I guess that makes sense. Alright, let's actually get a background in, because it's looking pretty bland. Cave? Alright, yeah, what happens if we just... Background... Cave... Background... Cave... Horizontal and vertical tile. Oh yeah, that looks pretty nice. Alright. So making the level probably won't take too long itself. Let's... Alright. Now I need to decide, do I want wall jumps? I need to keep in mind that they won't be visible. Of course, Megalovania plays. Alright, yeah, also want to spawn him there again. Alright, so I've got movement in. Let's get enemies. Create object, object, enemy. Sprites, enemy walk, add event, 10. Alright, let's chuck him in. See what he does. Yeah. This... It is Megalomania. Alright, let's go back to this. Steal that. Oh, no, I can't steal more. It's like that. Full screen that. Full screen that. Control V. If meeting X, Y, wall tile equals -1. Remove that. Gonna create hspeed equals 10. Okay, that's good. And image -1. Yep, that's good. How's my phone at home going? 31.2% of the way through this task. Oh. Sorry, I've just gotten really interested with folding at home because I did not know I was running it over like all this time. Because I've had like I did it once when I first got my computer, but I didn't think it was working. Huh. Anyway, let's go back into... Don't need that, don't need that. Touching down equals false. Control V. And then... I know one thing to copy. This. Oh yeah. Floor tiles equals TLS. Whoa. X plus equals H speed. Hey, that's good. Oh yeah, let's also just try him like that. Alright, now... let's make a collision event. is... I'm just going to do what they did in the original Mario Bros. Is more than 0. Other dot dead equals true. Else health minus equals 1. And then... if dead equals true, sprite index equals enemy die. If sprite index equals enemy die. Actually, I want to and index equals h equals false. No, I'll chuck that into this. Then if image index equals 7, instance destroy. And maybe let's lower the horizontal speed down to 5. Dead equals okay, maybe it doesn't have that many frames. Alright, good. And then I just want to obviously v speed equals -25. Just give him a boost. And alright, false. Alright, that's good. Now, step. Right. Four seconds. Run. While array for this. Time to remember how to do them. Tempest Island time. I don't know about that, Mr. ZenDuckApps. Also, I don't have my stream open 24/7, so well, the window open all the time. So if I don't see you, sorry. Back to this. Let's what's the timer at? Okay, about an hour in. Oh, this is the Ron Tempest Island. Because I've got like half a dozen. Tempest Island 1. Then objects, managers, battle end equals true. Alright. I equals 0. I is more than temp run. So, I'd actually, no, I can just do run. Run. Oh, no, I don't need any of that. Wait. Frame equals 120. So I has to be less than run. Yeah, that makes sense. Shadow create depth. Or Ninja 224/1856. Object shadow play. Object shadow. Hold on. I'd seen the ZenDuck did that. Let's just head on over to his stream. Alright. Oh, it actually called me recently. I should turn my Discord off, do not disturb. Hello?
I was calling earlier. I am officially about an hour off from finishing.
I'm just over an hour in.
Ooh. Yeah, you started about an hour after me.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's this fruit toast guy in my chat.
Oh, really?
Did you send him or something? Yeah, he's talking about you.
I don't know,
Yeah.
but
And
it sounds like a
another guy
pretty
from your chat,
smart
too.
and handsome guy.
Oh, does he?
Yeah.
I mean, maybe you should listen to your chat some. I think there's some pretty insightful people in there talking about me.
Uh,
I'm just saying.
I don't know. I
Yeah.
don't really trust people with the last name Apps, you know? Just something
Oh.
about that seems a bit off to me.
Mm-hmm. I guess I could understand that, maybe. Perhaps. Alright, well, I gotta go. Timer's closing in, got some stuff to do. Just wanted to check in.
Yeah. I should get back
See
to making
you.
the best game ever made in 3 hours
Oh,
then.
the best game ever made in 3 hours. Oh, we'll see, we'll see. We will see.
Oh,
Alright, I'll see you in 54 minutes.
I will see you then. Alright, this has got it heated. With underscore shadow create. Reference. Shadow player. Alright. So, X. Game manager. I need a... Alright. Sudden change up. I'm removing my old desk mat because it's a $20 thing I bought from Officeworks because I wanted a desk mat. It's got moth pass on it. Okay, my mouse is good. But I don't need a desk mat. That'd actually free up a bit of space for me. Equals object battle manager. No, object game manager dot life x no what's reference object manager dot frame minus 120. Why? Wait, there's a chip in my desk right where that's my arm. Alright. So, I also need create image blend equals. I don't have Streamlabs open now so that I don't accidentally miss out on chats. Image blend equals hash 111111. Guess that's like 17, 17, 17. So it's pretty dark, but you can't, but still discern the features. And sprite. And it's that because once it's created once frame equals 120. Now, if start x equals x start what's y previous. The previous position, oh that is so useful. if y previous, wait, no, if y is more than y previous, if y is less than y previous, oh no, I want x first. If x is more than x previous, if x is less than x previous, and then if x equals x previous and y equals y previous, sprite index equals SPR underscore ninja. Alright, y is less than y previous. Sprite index equals SPR underscore player rise. Sprite index equals player 4. Sprite index equals ninja run. Image x scale equals, so it's less than, so it's going to the left, so it's -1. Now, I need to test this, so let's get an ending. Luckily, I can just there shouldn't be a thunderstorm. There's no clouds outside. What? Middle bottom or bottom center. Alright. Create object. Object. How much time do I have? Alright, so I'm 80 minutes in. Let's just chuck exit there. Sprite that. Then I need, yeah, that's probably for the best. Advent collision with ninja. This would actually be a really good speedrunning game. Like, to practice speedrun. Because the higher score you get, the faster you'd have to go. You can only really, I mean, you could cheese, but it would be pretty difficult. Room equals room. Now, if I alright, maybe it's rm underscore minus room 1. Maybe I need to do that. Okay, so it's just layering the sounds on top of each other. Room main. let's create a new room. Home underscore setup. This way put gmanager and nothing else. So we can delete that. Object underscore gmanager dot run plus equals 1. That might actually be enough to test. Oh wait, I realize now. Persistent. What? Oh! That's top. And then under create, room equals rm main. So loads up. Yes! It actually works! But I do want to make them just a bit darker. So create, let's do 050505. So like I can just wait here for a bit, move. Blend. Actually, maybe 07s. Alright, now. If I cut my new chair arrive, I'm using cheap Officeworks office chair, and it is killing me. If object gmanager.frame is frame minus 120 is less than array length life x reference and they'll be the same length. Fuck. Object B manager. Dot. Oh no, G manager. I keep forgetting. Oh. G manager. Oh no. What? Step line 3. Is more than hope. I know what's happening now. Object G manager dot frame equals 0. Look, there are more of them. Oh. Yes. Alright, now, I think, now that that's happened, 120 is definitely too long. Like, way too long, so let's go 30. What if I have them spawn in at 60? That'll add a bit more randomness to it. Okay. So, how long do I have left actually? Hour and a half. Well, let's get my MS Paint. Done that, done that, done that, done that, done that. Well, now let's just make the room. And then I can solve any bugs that appear. I can just fill this bit in. Now I do want to have multiple paths. I also want to have them converge, sort of. Alright then, that. Let's go for a high one, the paths that link them together, and a down low one with some paths that link them together. And actually, let's going to try to make it so that they don't go, so that Shit, they need to be at least 3 tiles apart vertically. Alright, so something like this. But I do want a bit more than just paths. So let's maybe add in a few holes to the course. And yeah, let's make them more interesting. Giving them this edge instead of the one that I was using. Alright, so first, brief tutorial section. So this you learn the controls and kill your first enemy. This was the first, I know what to call them, Gombler. So this is what the first Gombler will be. Okay. How easy is it to tell when the platforms aren't? So the idea is your first run you just make to the end. Then once the second one comes and you spawn your clones in, that's when you start strategizing. And trying to figure out, how do I do this? Just fix those up. And these. Actually, yeah, that looks good. Yeah, I can just pop them down there as well. And then same with the platform. So then I just go to those ones. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Those two not visible That one won't be fixed likely. For a while, boom, platform. And you can't clip into these. Maybe I should make him run a bit faster, just because I'm having a bit of trouble getting those, so... $20. Oh yeah, let's check out the new run speed. Oh wait, oh shit, my mic's been all the way up. Whoa, that is fast. Oh, there's... Does that one not have wall? Up to this, I'm not sure if this should be the default speed, but yeah, this is definitely a lot like more fast-paced. Oh, yep, there he goes. Jump. Oh, yeah. Enemy. Oh, no, back on the player. Collision with enemy. And other dot. Sprite index equals SPR underscore enemy walk. Enemy walk. I actually think having them be the same speed as the player but spawn in later isn't that good, because then the player just does the same thing every time. So I think I'll make them a tiny bit faster. Oh, damn. Alright. Object frame minus 30. What if I make them twice as fast? Is that too much? Probably, but I'll still check anyway. Oh wow, yeah, they are way too fast. Let's try 1.25. And then round. Round. Jump. Actually, what if instead of all that fanciness, I just make them spawn in at the position then, and back in G Manager, I give the player 30 frames. And let's do if y is more than 5,000 game restart. Although I should make it a bit easier to do this bit. Because, like, that just punishes good gameplay. Yep, it restarts. Actually, well, let's just make it start a new run. Nope. Control V. Tab. Yes, so I did the top route this time. Yes, so now I have to face against the failed versions as well. So, yeah, we see him die. But obviously this is just a speedrunning practice thing. Need it to be a bit more interesting. Yes, I did the top route. Alright, let's add some more enemies into the mix. I'm just scared that when I load them in... Oh, yep, they are here. But a lot of them would have fallen into the void. How many are alive, actually? One. One made it. Alright, let's check out the Mario design, because I'm one of the 7 people who owns a Wii U, and I've got Mario makeup, and it came with this cool little planning sheet, so let's just, look at how they designed it. So I need ideas. What am I looking at? Hour 12. Stairs. Alright. So I think what I'll do is a little bit of this, that, yeah. Alright, I'm looking at the castle planning sheet from the original Mario for this. This level design's probably the one thing I'm worst at with making games. Alright. Let's also just go into there. If distance to point object ninja.x y is more than 2000, h speed equals 0, else h speed equals 10. So that way, if they're more than 2000 pixels away, they will not move. They have, yeah. Alright, good. Mic's working still. Now. So let's get... Now let's start with a simple pit jump. So it'll just be 2 wide. Just something like this. Oh. What? Let's just fill all this in. Why is he spawning there? Huh? Alright, and yeah, let's... I'm just trying to figure out what the fuck is happening. Okay. So, it starts at the correct spot. If I chuck in a ninja... 768... 2300. Why does he spawn all the way down here? Oh my god. Alright. I figured it out! Turns out I was filling it in with this, which is invisible. And platform acts first. Well, it acts before floor. Revoke my coding license. Alright, now. Now that's good. So... Oh no. YouTube's bitching again. Well... Doesn't look too bad. So let's get on to designing this level. Alright, so platform, or pitfall, not platform. Pitfall there. But obviously, to get the multiple paths thing sort of in, let's have another way around down here maybe. And that way I can use the pop through the floor glitch to my advantage. There should be one right there. That's good-ish. This is what I want, actually. Yeah. Alright, so I can run through here and pop out. Obviously, I will put in platform and walls for that bit, but I think having this bit here... And yeah, let's just get an arrow sprite. Then rid of this and that. And then I just that. Alright, and then that can just go just like that. And yeah, I think having it so that you jump up the stairs when they're only one is a nice feature. The only thing I wish I could do is make it a bit secretive. Like the only way that you'd find it would be by running off the end. Like by accident. If I get time, how long do I have? An hour. Let's at least make these look a bit... So, and actually, if I move him over there... So what, about there-ish? Yeah, then they don't see it, then they see that. And they probably wouldn't go back on the first go. But on the second go, they'd spawn in and head down here and find it. And they wouldn't know about the clone spawning unless they kept an eye out for them. Floor. Room editor. Yeah, let's place those with that. Those with that. Okay, so that's first little bit done. These need to look nice, actually. They're the pillars. Then I need a... Alright. Just need grassy top. With a cornered side. Not actually sure if that exists. But it probably would. I need to stop worrying about the fine details. I've got less than an hour left. So, we learned the controls. Small pit. Enemy. But I also... Alright, so the first few screens will probably just be tutorial. Alright, and then yeah, the gate can be there. Two, three, four. Yep, that's centralized. So you can go from the bottom, which has a couple of pit jumps, as I'll call them. Actually, no. Use these. Or you can go from the top. So the top will be more risky, and you'll have a higher likelihood of just falling to your death. But you'll have to deal with less enemies and it will be faster. And let's just do a quick run through of the current thing. Make sure the jumps are possible. Yep. I should add coyote time, yeah. That's a good idea. Alright, so coyote time is essentially a brief period of time between when you fall and when you can jump. It's what all the good platformers have. Like, it's not even that difficult to implement. You just need... where was I? There. Fall time equals 10. Fall time minus equals 1. Fall time equals 0. Then... and fall time is more than 0. Hello, ZenDuck. I'm presuming you finished.
Timer just finished.
Oh.
Officially. And I will say there was one mechanic I forgot about until like 1 minute left, so it doesn't 100% work how I wanted it to, but it works at least. It's playable.
Well, that's
I see
good.
your game you're working on.
Yes.
You're like looping the guy.
Yeah.
I didn't look for long enough to understand it. We'll just have to see what the game jammers have to say. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm going to head off. So
Yep.
I'll check the game out later today.
Okay, I'll see you later then.
See you later.
Oh. Add Skibbity Riz to the game. No. Skibbity Riz canonically takes 17 years to implement. I've got 50 minutes. Alright. Hello.
Am I live?
Yes.
Penis.
Moving on. Why isn't Coyote time working? Place meeting. Oh, it's there. Fall time equals 10. So yeah, this just gives you a bit more leeway. And there we go. So coyote times in, let's make that 5 actually, and odds off for some reason. Alright, so yeah, back to making this. So maybe a couple of safety nets at the start. Alright, now let's get... I don't know this. Alright, let's get a pit here. And... let's get an enemy zone there. That is very volatile. Right. Instances. 128. I know, let's 32. 128. And going back to the enemy, bottom center, enemy die, bottom center. Okay, and here, I just put in some of that. That and that. And then like that. Alright, let's just check. Oh wait, there aren't walls yet. Shit. Okay, why did it keep moving? Oh, there we go. That, chuck that in there. Okay, so now it'll work. And let's just make that 1500. Actually, I haven't implemented health. Shit. Create sprite. Health. Alright, let's make it 196. Then let's get a box that's 64 by 64. Wait, that doesn't look 64 by 64. That is 64 by 64. That. No. $30. 1, 2. And this 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh shit! Oh, not this. That plane. Alright. Yeah, that's a good enough heart. Uh, 60 by 51. Then that. That. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 6. First and probably only sprite I will make for this. Wait. $196. Okay. minus 15. Minus 15. Minus 15. Because, as was just seen, otherwise it gets chaotic. Alright, 15 delay, 60-second create. No, not 6 seconds, 60 frame create. Nope. Oh shit. Alright, let's not make a shadow for those ones. Because that's just chaos. Alright. "31 minutes. So yeah, safer jumps. Not as many holes. Only really, I'll line the holes up with those so that you die regardless. But it will have to be a bit slow of a path. Then that, yeah. Some of this. Then where's the... that. Alright, 30 minutes. Get that. Actually, Change it to this, that. Then jump to there. Instances. One there. One there. Two there. And let's just let's make it so that when they collide, it's the same as if they meet a wall. Damn it. Alright, let's put them at the start so I can check. Wall. Just one there and one there. What? Okay. I'm just guessing that's what happens when it's just a plain wall. Wall. And oh no. Actually, I can't really. It'll be hidden, so I should just do the same thing across all of them so that it's easier to see. Dun, dun, dun. That, and that. That. And now you don't immediately jump to the top. At least when going down the walls. You do still leap up 3 platforms. They did not do that before. I'll just do 10 for that. No, H speed. How much time? 23 minutes. Alright, actually, I won't need this anymore. Yeah, that's good. That's how they should be acting. Yeah, then you go through it again. And you die. Then you find out the secret passage. Before I do a bunch of playtesting for fun, I should probably add in the platform ones. These will be a lot easier to see. So first that activates is the wall, so that kicks you away. Then the platforms, so it pushes you down. Then the roof, then the floor, so that pushes you back up. What's that on Spotify? Alright. Don't really need them there, but I do need them here, but not there. Alright, so if I try to jump up, but it works there. Can still jump up through these. I can't through those. Ooh. Is there? There mustn't have been walls there. Ah, platform. A few just need them around here. I mean, this actually might be a really good idea, like a nice idea for like a simple mobile game. I'll have to jot that down. So like, one where it's infinite, pretty much. Or like an actual, like, well-defined Metroidvania-esque level world sort of thing. Alright, now, let's make a title screen. And... oh, you gotta be kidding me. Can I... What happens if I do... Detach? Then detach. Right. One horizontal and vertical. Stretch, no thanks. Alright, now let's get Ninja Loop. Let's go 1400 by 800. Text 400. Ninja Loop. And font. No, what's a fancy Times New Roman? No. Should I do Hollow Knight with Trajan Pro? That looks good, actually. What are the dimensions again? It's 700 by 400. I want this. Then I just go into setup, assets. Oh, fuck. Uh, 1920. Divide that by 2. Oh, wait, 960. Yeah, 1080, that's 540. Then at the bottom, press space, choose start. Yep. Alright. What's left? I guess I should probably go back into here. Control X. Step if room equals setup and keyboard check crest space room equals rm main. Then that. Life X not set before reading it. Oh yeah. Then you see the shadow, and you start running for your life. Alright, yeah, that's good. Actually, yeah, let's make it so that global.score plus equals 1. GManager create global.score equals 0. Create room dead. Font. Let's make a font. Create font. Font underscore text. Add BFDI to the game. I do not know what that means. Bingo. Let's go. I do not know what a BFDI is. I cannot add that if I don't know what it is. Also, 11 minutes left. Don't do that. If room equals rm dead, draw text 40. God, what's the X again? 960. Game over. You lasted. Plus string global.score plus rounds. And then new line, press space to try again. Yeah, I'll see what this BFDI thing that this guy's so bloody Battle for Dream Island? I know it's redundant acronym syndrome. I don't know what on earth a Battle for Dream Island is, Mr. Object Show fan. Sorry. Alright, Alright. I'm collision with that. RM dead. Room equals RM dead. And those don't matter. So if you die... Alright, that's... Draw, set, font, text. Draw, set, v-align. FA middle, and draw set H line, FA center. No, I just need to add in that. If room equals RM dead and keyboard check pressed, 3k space, game restart. Perfect. No. Oh yeah, it's a bit difficult, but what am I gonna do about it? I've got like 8 minutes. 7.5. So, what else is left to add? Because I've got everything on this. Chat, any ideas? What other sound effects did this come with, actually? Menu. Ooh, Loosting. Alright, so dead time equals 300. Create dead time equals -1. If dead time equals 300, if dead time more than 0, if dead time equals 0, dead time equals 300. SMD underscore dead. Let's change to 0.25. Maybe 0.4. Alright, then play audio, play sound. Back audio. Playing sounds. Audio looping. Advanced web function. Audio pause all. Audio play sound. The dead. 1. False. Dead time minus equals 1. Room equals RM. Dead. Dead time equals 300. And for all of this, if dead time equals -1, open bracket, close bracket. Alright, let's maybe knock that down to 200. Oh no, 240. And timer. Alright. Sprite index equals SBR ninja damage. Alright, and then image alpha equals equals 1 minus dead time over 240, and if dead time is more than 0. One, two. What? One minus 240. Oh yeah. H speed equals 0. One, two. Alright. The time over 60 maybe. Fuck, 45 seconds. 1, 2. The time over 60 minus 3. Come on, just die. Perfect. No, that... I was expecting it to be like at 3 seconds or something. But it works! Time is up. Alright. Now, let's create an executable. Let's just chuck it in there. Okay, I just realized I forgot one thing that I like, that I always forget till the end. Alright. Ninja loop. Alright. This is not running through this. This has been compiled. So Ninja Loop. Okay, good, yeah, they do spawn in. Okay. That's done. It works. I did not think I'd be able to do all of that in 3 hours. And I think it's tradition at this point. I did it the first time I streamed, and then I did it last week. So, who wants to see me do the Wordle? Alright, good start. This will see Wordle at the end of every stream because reasons. Sorry to the person to whoever just joined. You missed all of the coding. I'm not really good at... Oh! Okay, so... Something E, something RN. Oh no, something RE. One week I'm just gonna have to make my own version of Wordle for this thing. So it's either... or... Kenra? I've got 3 viewers right at the end. This is what is happening currently. Wordle. If you wanted actual content, you should have watched the past 3.5 hours. So, sorry if anyone complains. Now, but you can just spin it back 3 hours. What, Yenra? No. I'm just going through... Is it Nenra? Benra? Zenra? Enra? Yenra? Wenra? Alright. How did the game go? Good. I did complete it. I ZenDuck, just for you, to show how screwed you are, I will show it. This is it. I forgot to turn a few things off. So this is one of the paths. And then this is the other. And then I died. So yeah, are you probably shivering in your boots now, ZenDuck? Now, back to the Wordle. But I'm just going through them. Alright. So, oh, genre. Well, that is the stream. Goodbye.